Gale warning Friday. Tonight, east winds 25 knots. Seas 14 feet. Rain. Friday, south wind 25 knots, except south 35 knots from the Shumagan Islands east.
Welcome back to Grandpa's Time. Hey grandkids. Today I'm going to be discussing what a barometer is, what it's used for, show you some examples, and discuss how it might be useful as a tool at home, not just where I work. So I hope you like this video. The definition of a barometer is an instrument for measuring the pressure of the atmosphere and is used in determining weather conditions. So there are two types, mercurial and aneroid. And aneroid is the type you see here, and that's the most common type on ships now. Okay, the barometer is reading 29.88. Now standard atmospheric pressure is 29.92, which converts to 1013.2 millibars, and we'll explain the conversion here in a little bit. Twenty 29.06 and falling. Weather's getting nasty out.
Synopsis for Southwest Alaska plus Bristol Bay plus the Alaska Peninsula waters and the Aleutian Islands. A 965 millibars low 80 nautical miles south of Dutch Harbor merges with a 968 millibars North Pacific low to form a 971 millibars low 130 nautical miles north of Cold Bay Friday afternoon.
Okay, you might have heard the Weather Service mention a 965 millibar low. They discuss everything in millibars, and our barometer is in inches, so we just take this conversion chart, and 965 equals 28.50. So to summarize, rising barometer, high pressure, can often mean, well, it usually means clear skies and cooler temperatures. Dropping barometer, especially a rapidly dropping barometer, the faster the drop, oftentimes the more severe the weather system, and the quicker the storm's going to arrive. I hope you got something out of this video. You don't need to be a weatherman to use a barometer. If you're a gardener, if you're planning to go take a hike, if you have a barometer and you see the pressure steadily dropping or dropping quickly, then you know there's an approaching storm, and maybe you change your plans, or maybe you don't have to water your garden because there's a good chance of getting some precipitation that day. You can read the clouds and you can read a barometer. You don't really even need to listen to the weatherman anymore. If you get a barometer, don't put it in somewhere where there's direct sunlight. Things like air conditioning and stuff can affect it. I've read where you don't want to put it near a window or a door. Well, at work it's near a window and a door, but it still gives us a pretty good idea of what's going on. Anyway, I hope you got something out of this video, and if you have any questions, ask Grandpa or leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. These are all babies, well, a lot of babies anyway. You see all the babies?